Hello, it's a beautiful spring day and I'm here to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of March 2024. Despite a highly active real estate market, prices actually dropped slightly in Guelph. Let's take a look at the key month-over-month stats relative to February 2024. In Guelph, the median sales price was $750,000, which was down by 3.8%. The average sale price per square foot was $522, which was up by 1.2%. The total number of listings was 290, which is up by 29.5%, and the total number of sales was 166, up by 11.4%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $750,000, which was up by 7%. In Waterloo, it was $796,000, also up by 7%. And in Cambridge, it was $733,000, up by just under 1%. I was a little surprised to see the median sale price dip in Guelph, but the Royal City is an anomaly relative to our local markets. We are still seeing multiple offers on many homes and high levels of activity in general. Given that the average sale price per square foot, number of listings, and number of sales have all increased since February, it's evident that the Guelph housing market is still strong and vibrant. Relative to March of 2023, the median sale price per square foot, and the number of listings are all up year over year. The only drop is the number of sales, which fell by 9.8%. These figures indicate a strong spring market, but one that is just seeing less sales activity than the one of last year. Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge are also active seller markets at this time. All three of these markets experienced increased month-over-month median sale prices, number of listings, and number of sales in March. The next couple of months will bring opportunity for both buyers and sellers who are looking to make a move. Buyers will benefit from a relatively good amount of inventory to choose from, and sellers can take advantage of the seasonally high sales activity. Whether you're considering buying, selling, or both, I'd be happy to help you out. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime and have a great day.